ADHERE prototype program. It's February 8th. We're in crunch time. Got 5 weeks until demo day. We're walking to the bus station to catch the 4:45 a.m. bus to get out to Autodesk by 6. We woke up at 4 to do a tally of paint supplies that we have, and looks like we don't have much. Trying to figure out how to prep and get these prototype parts ready for demo day, because we believe, hey, we gotta have a great story, and that's what we're working on. We're writing that, editing. You know, we're really close to locking it in and starting to just memorize it. Probably listen to it at night while sleeping, whatever it takes to get that thing, that speech in our head, and not, I don't want to read from a teleprompter. I think it's just lame. I think the more prepared you are, the less likely it is that you actually need to read from a teleprompter. So we're working hard on that, you know, to have a great story, and everybody's said that, and I think it's important, but I also think it's important to have a good prototype, because at the end of the day, I get one shot at this, like Tom Brady said. You know, when he said when he gets his shot, he's going to show everybody what he's got. And that's exactly what I plan on doing. I want to show everybody what I got. Like Adam said, show the world what you have, show them your skills. And I want everyone to know that this is totally doable. You know, like, this is possible. It's just a matter of hard work, you know, and just time management. Just blocking out the time slots to get it done. You know, there's a lot of work to get done, some design work. The prep is going to be nuts because everything has to be hand sanded. But you know, we've prepared for this, right? Like, we spent a decade just studying art and architecture and engineering, and long nights over that decade of learning how to sand and prep things. So we're ready for this. We're going to knock it out. We're trying to figure out how to do like a paint booth. A lot of different ideas. It sucks because don't really have a good place to paint, but came up with a great idea though. So there's this refrigerator sitting in the box in the storage room. We're gonna go ahead and take the refrigerator out. It's for one of the future units, or if somebody's breaks. So we're gonna use the box itself though, and seal it up real good, and then cut out areas for ventilation and circulation and flow of air and all this other stuff to create a paint booth, you know. And it's just the right size to be able to pull it off for the smart luggage parts and stuff. And that should allow us to expedite some of this drying time if the air is constantly moving around it. Yeah, so it's gonna be a lot of prep work though. It's all in the prep for sure. So we're gonna have to make sure everything's perfect. We're gonna practice on a few parts, and then we're gonna get started on it probably Monday. Yeah, somewhere around there, because maybe Wednesday. We only have 5 weeks, and with dry times for some of this stuff taking, you know, 5 days per. Yeah, and you're talking about several coats. So you got your primer, at least 2 or 3 layers of primer, because the PLA is black in some spots, so it needs to be all the way to white. And then you got like 1 to 2 coats of gloss, white high gloss, and then 1 coat of regular gloss. So yeah, you're looking at, it's gonna take me all the way up until like mid-March, you know. Yeah, jeez Louise. Maybe, yeah. So it's gonna take some work. It's gonna take some hustle. We still have a lot of printing to do. You know, we got some key parts: the handle, the lower section, the outer areas. There's a decent amount of parts left to do. I forgot my umbrella. All right, you're out.